In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, revolutionary concepts often come with their own set of limitations. Blockchain technology, with its promise of decentralization and security, has introduced a paradigm shift in the way we envision applications and services. However, despite its potential, blockchain computing faces challenges that restrict its scalability and efficiency. Simultaneously, traditional computing infrastructures are grappling with issues of cost, complexity, and environmental impact. This confluence of challenges presents a unique opportunity for innovation. In this section, we delve into the current limitations of blockchain and traditional computing, exploring the hurdles that both these domains encounter and the transformative potential of addressing these challenges. In this video, we will investigate one of the blockchain that aim to solve these issues. I'm George from KK Technologies. Blockchain technology has been making waves in recent years, revolutionizing various industries through its decentralized and secure nature. One fascinating project in this field is YekSec RLC. In this video, we will break down the complexities of YekSec RLC and its potential impact on cloud computing and the blockchain ecosystem. To fully grasp this concept, we will refer to the project's white paper and explain it in simpler terms. What is YekSec RLC? YekSec RLC is a pioneering project that combines blockchain technology and cloud computing to create a decentralized cloud marketplace. This marketplace allows users to share and trade their computing resources, applications, and data using a secure and transparent platform. Think of YekSec RLC as a digital bazaar where you can lend your computer's power to others and, in return, access resources from a global network of computers. This concept breaks away from the traditional cloud computing model, which is centralized and often controlled by a single entity. Traditional cloud computing involves renting resources from a central provider like Amazon Web Services or Microsoft Azure. With YekSec RLC, the cloud becomes a distributed network of computers owned by different individuals and organizations. These participants offer their computing power, creating a decentralized cloud marketplace. Imagine you have a powerful computer that you rarely use to its full potential. With YekSec RLC, you can offer your unused computing resources to others who need them. Conversely, when you need extra computing power for a task, you can access the available resources within the YekSec network. This peer-to-peer sharing creates a more efficient and cost-effective cloud computing environment. Tokens are an integral part of YekSec RLC's ecosystem. These tokens, known as RLC tokens, act as a form of digital currency within the platform. When you lend your computing resources, you are rewarded with RLC tokens. Similarly, when you use resources from others, you pay them in RLC tokens. This mechanism ensures a fair exchange of value. Smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with predefined rules, play a crucial role in YekSec RLC. These contracts automatically handle tasks such as verifying resource usage and distributing RLC tokens. This automation eliminates the need for intermediaries and adds transparency to transactions. YekSec RLC offers a triptych of services that work harmoniously: the Cloud Marketplace, dApp Store, and Data Marketplace. Cloud Marketplace. This is where users can access and offer computing resources. It's like an online marketplace where you can list your resources for others to use or browse available resources for your own tasks. dApp Store. dApps, decentralized applications, are the building blocks of the blockchain ecosystem. YekSec RLC provides a store where these applications can be listed, accessed, and even monetized. It's a platform for innovation and collaboration. Data Marketplace. Data is a valuable commodity in today's digital world. YekSec RLC's Data Marketplace allows users to sell and buy data securely, expanding the potential use cases of the platform. Market Network Evolution. The YekSec RLC project has a roadmap for its development, starting from essential features and gradually evolving into a full-fledged market network. The roadmap outlines different versions of the platform, each introducing new functionalities and capabilities. Conclusion. YekSec RLC introduces a groundbreaking concept that merges blockchain technology with cloud computing, reshaping the way we think about computational resources. It's like joining a global cloud sharing community, where individuals and businesses can collaborate efficiently, securely, and economically. As we've seen, YekSec RLC's potential impact spans across various industries, from AI and data analysis to scientific research and beyond. By decentralizing cloud computing and integrating it with the blockchain, YekSec RLC aims to create a more equitable and efficient digital ecosystem for all. In summary, YekSec RLC is not just a project. It's a vision that has the potential to revolutionize the way we compute, collaborate, and innovate in a decentralized world. So, if you ever find yourself intrigued by the intersection of blockchain and cloud computing, YekSec RLC is a name worth exploring. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, so your cash can go down as well as up in the blink of an eye. As always, you should never invest in something you don't understand. What are your thoughts about the YekSec RLC? Would you use or invest in it? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please tap the subscribe button